Welcome to LK Dinner Time. Today, we're making a delicious and energizing banana and peanut butter smoothie. Perfect for a quick breakfast or a post-workout boost. First, I'm cutting up 2 ripe bananas into small pieces. This makes them blend smoothly and evenly. Bananas give you natural sweetness and energy, while peanut butter adds protein and a rich, nutty flavor. Next, they go straight into the blender. Now, let's add a little chocolate powder for that extra indulgent twist. Then comes the star ingredient, peanut butter. It makes the smoothie creamy and full of good fats. To bring in some freshness and a bit of tang, I'm adding yogurt, which also gives a nice protein boost. Now, we pour in some milk to bring everything together. And finally, blend it all until it's smooth and creamy. If you like your smoothie thinner, just add a little more milk and blend again. That's it, your banana and peanut butter smoothie is ready to enjoy. If you love easy and tasty recipes like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to LK Dinner Time. See you in the next one.